Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a common problem faced by those trying to install macOS Sonoma on an external SSD. Our viewer has been struggling for 3 whole days to get it to work, following various guides without success. The error message, the macOS version on the selected disk must be reinstalled, keeps popping up, and has been a real headache for our viewer. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. Remember, since macOS Sonoma is already on the internal disk, you can skip third-party tutorials and follow Apple's exact process to install macOS on an external drive. Important tip: pay close attention to which port you use for the installation. Avoid the leftmost USB-C port on your Mac. Also, ensure you choose the APFS format for your SSD. Make sure the date and time are correct on your Mac, and consider erasing and reformatting the drive to avoid any errors during the install. Following these steps should hopefully get you up and running smoothly. In summary, installing macOS Sonoma on an external SSD can be tricky, but by following Apple's guidelines closely, paying attention to the port you use, and selecting the right format for your drive, you should be able to overcome the macOS version on the selected disk error. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech issues you'd like to see covered. Remember, a problem shared is a problem halved.